Some people on the autism spectrum have repetitive behaviors that may seem unusual. Examples of repetitive behaviors are hand flapping, scratching hair, or simply repeating various words or phrases. This type of behavior is often referred to as self-stimulatory behavior, or stimming for short. Stimming is repetitive behaviors and sounds that a person may make to help manage various emotions. Specifically, the behavior can provide comfort when an individual is overwhelmed by stressful events such as sensory overload, unexpected change in routine, or difficult social situations. In other situations, stimming could also be used as a behavior to represent happiness or excitement. While stimming is a normal behavior for people on the spectrum, some often try to hide their various stims in an effort to look more neurotypical. This is defined as masking or camouflaging, which is a technique commonly used by people on the spectrum to be perceived as more neurotypical. This includes eliminating any stimming behavior that could provide comfort from any external event causing stress. Examples of masking include replicating how other people communicate, not being honest with opinions in order to satisfy others, or reducing any repetitive movements that are uncommon in neurotypicals. Many people on the autism spectrum feel the need to mask as they think they will be more likely to be accepted by society if they perform behaviors that are more common among neurotypicals. They fear that showing signs of stimming could limit their chances of meeting qualifications, such as getting a job or fitting in with other peers. Other times, a person may also mask as they simply do not want to be viewed as autistic. While many people on the spectrum think that there are benefits from masking, it could negatively affect an individual's well-being. Resisting the urge to stim can be an exhausting activity that could cause an individual on the spectrum to experience anxiety and depression. Another consequence of masking is that it could prevent people from receiving the support they need, such as an accommodation. Problems that are unknown can't be helped. Without these necessities, it may be difficult for a person on the spectrum to reach their full potential. Of course, these consequences can be prevented by developing environments that provide social cohesion and opportunities for connection. In other words, it is the responsibility of schools and organizations to inform peers about stimming and how it can provide relief. The more commonly known stimming is, the more likely people will have a greater acceptance towards the behavior. As a result, people on the spectrum will feel less of a need to hide their behaviors to feel valued by others.